Good morning, welcome to 5th Generation Hobby Shop and welcome to another video testing. Welcome to another vlog. So we have here the Glock 17 Gen 5 by Umarex. This is the Steel BB version. Okay, and shout out po pala, by the way, shout out po kay Madam Miles ng Negros Occidental. Okay, welcome to 5th Generation Hobby Shop, madam. So this is the Glock 17 Gen 5 by Umarex. This is Steel BBs. Again, this is Steel BBs version, air gun, caliber 4.5. This is the box. Ayan, officially licensed product of Glock, Umarex brand. Ayan. Okay, so this is 18 rounder capacity. Ayan, Steel BB version. 18 rounder. Blowback siya. Ayan, naka-smooth barrel. Double action. Ayan. Ayan, CO2 powered. Ito yung bala, Steel BBs. That's 4.5mm in diameter. Ito naman yun sa kabilang side. Ayan. Serrated na front and rear with the tactical rail for accessories such as flashlight. Pwede mo siyang lagyan. And markings, officially licensed product of Glock. Ito yung serial number ng slide. Tapos ito naman yung serial number ng unit. Yan yung safety. Nasa ilalim siya ng slide. Ayan. So again, shout out po kay Madam Miles ng Negros Occidental. Okay, the Glock 17 Gen 5 Steel BB version. So bali ito po ay may kasama na siyang cartridge, CO2 cartridge 12G. Meron siyang kasamang 5 peraso. 5 perasong CO2. And also may kasama na rin siyang bala. Okay, yung 4.5mm Steel BBs. And also comes with silicone oil. Ayan, silicone oil. Okay? So maglalagay tayo ng CO2 ngayon. But before tayo maglalagay ng CO2, patakan lang natin itong part na to ng oil. Yan. Patakan lang natin yan. And then, kakailanganin po natin yung hex screw. Yung allen. So, by the way, sa box niya may kasama siyang maintenance manual by Umarex. Yan. And also comes with the instruction manual. And this is the hex screw, or the allen screw. Push mo lang siya, yung mag base. Okay, and then load. Luluwagan lang natin para pumasok yung CO2. Ayan. And then, ihigpitan natin ngayon. Ayan. Saktong higpit lang po, wag nyo siyang higpitan ng todo. Okay, then push mo lang yung mag-base. And then, sa paglo-load naman ng BBs, ito, yan, dito mo lang siya ilo-load. Yan, itataktak mo lang siya, mahuhulog lang siya. 18 rounder, pwede nyo siyang punuin kasi maganda naman yung spring niya. Yan, lagyan lang natin siyang konti for testing. Ayan, so loaded na siya. Steel BBs, tsaka CO2. Glock 17 Gen 5 testing. Okay, again, shoutout kay Madam Miles ng Negros Occidental. Okay, so bali ito pala may safe siya sa ilalim, di ko na-check. Yan. Kung white siya, safe yan. Then, pag red, fire. Ayan. Ganda ng tunog niya, oh. Wow. Okay, Glock 17 Gen 5 Steel BB version by Umarex, officially licensed product of Glock. Ayan. Licensed product siya. Ayan, markings niya, oh. Ganda, oh. Glock 17 Gen 5. Pulidong pulido, pati yan sa grip. Ayan, ganda ng serrations. Okay, testing. Okay, testing. Glock 17 Gen 5 Steel BB version. CO2 powered by Umarex. Fully licensed by Umarex. Glock 17 Gen 5. Okay, testing. Firing. Oh, grabe lakas. Try naman natin sa bote. Firing. One shot. Woo! Wow. Grabe lakas na ito. So, tingnan natin kung mag-open chamber, no? Pag wala ng load. Tayo na lang natin sa box. Ayan. So, wala na siyang bala. Nag-open slide na po. Okay? So, itong Steel BB version, nag-open slide po siya pag wala ng bala. Yung Steel BB version. Meron kasing version po nito, yung pellet version. Yung pellet version, iba po yung magazine nun. Yung may belt. Yun po ay blowback. Nagpe-play yung slide nun, pero pag wala ng bala, hindi siya nag-open slide. Kasi hindi nga siya spring. Ayan. Ito kasing spring, nag-open slide. Pag spring type. I mean, spring yung magazine. Pero pag yung belt type, kasi yung pellet version, hindi nag-open slide na ganyan. Okay. Pero blowback yun. Nagpe-play yung yung slide. Okay. So, ang gawin nyo, sir, pag nag-open slide na siya, release nyo muna yung magazine. Always release the magazine for safety. Then, hatakin nyo lang yung slide. Release. Okay. Hammer down. Ang ganda. Okay. So, okay na po ang inyong unit. Bound to Negros Occidental. So, kung may question po, message lang sa aming Facebook page. At sa mga interested po sa unit, ilalagay ko po yung details sa description. Pwede nyo pong i-check yun. Okay? Yun lamang po. Thank you and have a nice day.